Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block numbers on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to block a number, we need to open the phone app. If the number that you want to block has been calling you recently, then you can press and hold your finger on the recent contact, and then you have the block/report spam option. If you select it, then you can also report the call as spam if needed, and then you have the option to block. And there we go, the contact is now blocked. On the other hand, if you have the contact saved in contacts, then of course you can choose the contact, and then if you scroll down you have block numbers, and then once again you can report as spam or just block. And in addition to that, if you don't have the number saved in contacts, nor was it calling you, was they calling you recently, but you still know the number that you want to block, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, go to the settings, then choose blocked numbers, and then you have add a number. Here you can enter the number that you want to block, press block, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.